Hey there, today we're diving into the world of compact convenience with the upgraded credit card tool Multitool, a perfect gift for the adventurous souls in your life. This ultra-compact tool set is crafted from durable materials, featuring an impressive 2-inch serrated edge steel blade that effortlessly cuts through tough materials, all while fitting snugly into your wallet or pocket. With 18 practical functions, this multi-tool is a must-have for explorers, hikers, bikers, and handymen, making it the ultimate companion for camping, hiking, fishing, and more. Weighing just 1.4 ounces and measuring 3.5 by 2.3 by 0.3 inches, it's the ideal stocking stuffer for men, offering practicality without taking up space. Whether you're looking for a thoughtful gift for Father's Day, Thanksgiving, or just because, this multi-tool is sure to impress with its solid build and versatile functionality. Keep one in your wallet, car, or backpack, and you'll always be prepared for whatever life throws your way. So, gear up and make this multi-tool your go-to gadget for any adventure. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.